Here's the app called ReShoot AI Photos and Edits, edit, generate, and retouch photos. New AI photo editor, all in one AI photo editor. Transform one selfie into stunning photo shoots. Use ReShoot AI Photos and Edits completely free. Powered by Google's new viral image editor, Gemini 2.5. Skip the filters, editing confusion. Just upload a photo and ReShoot will do the rest. AI photo generator, AI picture editor, AI interior designer, AI image. So, let's just take a look. This is another app in this categories of AI photo editors. And then I can just open it up. Then I have template. And then requires one photo. You can see prompt, and then you can just try this use case. So now this is, you see the idea, how it's generating it. You can just take just a little longer, can notify when it's ready, and then you can just see. So now it's changing. This is basically, it's changing the cut in here, just like that. So this is what you have. Very cool. And this is the result. You can try again. You can share with friends. So here you can also, there is some kind of invite link in here which you can try. So yeah, refer through friends and remove daily limits. Once you reach referrals, you'll unlock daily generations. So feel free to use it. So this is just the idea which you can just try in here. So yeah, that's kind of the app. And I used already one generation without the limit. I don't even see the button to upgrade in here. It seems that's it. So super easy. Just, if you wanted to use it for some kind of templates, and yeah, all kinds of templates, merge, retouch, AI filters, just easily do it. But seems this is kind of viral app. Like they just want you to share it a lot, and that's basically their idea. And yeah, so that's how it works.